Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot without using button on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. There will be two methods that you can use to take screenshot without button. If you want to take screenshot with button, you just need to press your volume button with your power button at the same time. But if you don't want to use button, you can go to your quick setting panel for the first method. And here you will see the screenshot menu. Just tap on that and then you will be able to take screenshot. Okay, like this. And if the screenshot feature or menu doesn't appear right here, you need to edit your quick setting panel. Select this pencil icon and edit, and then you need to add the screenshot to your quick setting panel so you can easily screenshot your screen with this feature. Okay, use this feature guys to take screenshot. And then the second one guys, you can use the assistant menu. This is how the assistant menu looks like. You can press on this assistant menu and select screenshots. And I'm going to show you guys how you can activate this assistant menu. First of all, you need to go to your settings. Okay, this is my settings, and open up the sorry guys, I'm gonna go back to the home. Okay, and you're going to go to the accessibility setting, select the interaction and dexterity, and you can activate your assistant menu right here, and make sure that this screenshot is here. So you need to add screenshot to your assistant menu items. To edit the assistant menu items, you can select the assistant menu and choose this option, select assistant menu items, and make sure that you add these screenshots to the assistant menu so you can immediately use your assistant menu to take screenshot like this. Okay, and it's so easy guys. You can either use your quick setting panel or use your assistant menu to take screenshot without using button. Okay guys, and that's how we can take screenshot without using button on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.